This is E minor. It almost looks like E. E is like this. You just take away the index finger and you use all the strings. A very nice minor note, a little bit more sad and very useful in some songs. So in this song, O Come All Ye Faithful, unfortunately E minor only appears in the last line, so it only appears once. Maybe we'll find other songs with more E minors in them. This song is in D, and I'm going to play it quite slowly because there are places where there's a lot of changing between A and D and D and G. There's a lot. You should practice this before you start. D, A, G, D. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. That might have been too fast still, so let us do it even slower.